Good one, Chad.
What did he say?
I said it's on the bottom and the front. Back from the bottom behind the front. Want to sit here?
Why don't you sit with Chad?
Squeeze in.
And he'll spin you.
Squeeze. And don't spin in this chair.
Oh.
This is a very sophisticated chair, right?
No, it's not.
This is where we sit.
No, don't spit in the chair especially.
Things in this chair, like politics and... Hey.
Alex.
It's not raining, is it?
I put on my head.
I want this.
We'll load it right up and email it.
P for pig. What else does P stand for? Uh-oh.
Sing a song for your mother. Sing a song.
Sing a song.
Mom.
On the day. Yeah.
Yes, get candy wave.
We don't have it here.
No, yes. Okay, maybe on back. Okay, Jack. We need to get to play because it.
Oh, it keeps its focus so good.
There's lots of games so you can play Father. We don't know how to go seek anything. But we can't just sit on chairs.
How many chairs are there?
We can count chairs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chairs.
How many chairs
Are you pretending
by
you're
the
asleep?
piano?
And 11.
11.
What's after 11?
And
11.
12.
And 11.
In your face. How many chairs are by the piano? No.
And your bottom and your bottom. My bottom. Bottom.
That just happens. Sing a song.
Let me see. Can I see?
No.
No, let me see the.
If you sing me a song.
On the day that you were born, the angels got together inside to create dream come true.
That's what they do. So they.
Yes.
Hey.